Celebrating global impact across our social media platform, Reverend Lucy Natasha Carmel, a woman gifted and anointed with a strong prophetic unction and destiny-changing mandate to deliver, equip and empower people with the love of God. Encounter the prophetic, encounter the miraculous. Thank you for following us on our social media platform: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter and TikTok. 500 million views across our social media platform. The fearless generation, the mandate: preaching, winning souls, making disciples, raising leaders, depopulating hell and populating heaven. Our generation is our responsibility. Thank you for following us.